of our TikTok video competition, a classroom for every dream, how the FFCCCII various schools have changed life. The operation of various schools is our flagship project of the Federation of Filipino Chinese Chamber. It's already 65th anniversary since 1961. So this year we are commemorating the 65th anniversary for launching this TikTok about the various schools. So it's a very important event. So we hope the major people can help our federation in promoting this TikTok competition. This competition is composed of I think 18 kids above, so they can join this competition of the two categories. It will be announced by our Vice President and our Chairman of the Media Committee for the category of how the implement our competition. So thank you very much for coming this afternoon. We are so overwhelmed by all the major people here. So thank you again very much.
Thank you very much, President Victor Lim, for his opening statement. Please be ready with your questions. You will answer questions later on along with the other officers. Next, we'd like to invite to speak Vice President Reynolds C., also advisor of the Youth Committee at FFCCCII Vice President. Youngest Vice President of FFCCCII.
Thank you, Chairman Wilson. Youngest, pero not so young anymore. Anyway, as our President said earlier, this project is close to our heart, and this is what Filipino-Chinese chambers of all over the Philippines do to help our fellow Filipino brothers and sisters. Because, sabi nga nila dati, we are here, we are born here, we make a business here, we are live and die here, sabi ni our husband, sabi ni President Victor. Kaya with this, hopefully, a little help, tulong-tulong, sa kanila, di ba? 6,100 o 200 din sa 2004 at 2024. Ngayon, we already reached 6,500 2 years. Kaya hopefully, tuloy-tuloy pa rin with the help of lahat ng federation, not only us, for parihang ng kolong, sabi ng isang nation. Hopefully, we can do our little part to help our Philippine economy and our services. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Vice President Reynolds C. Next to speak is the board member of FFCCCII, also Youth Committee Chairman Peter Mangasig, for some of the details of this very exciting competition. Magkano total prizes? I-mention mo rin, Mr. Mangasig.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maybe might be asking, why do we have this campaign? No? This TikTok video competition part 2 aims to share inspiring stories from FFCCCII various schools. No? It also highlights how education can transform lives and communities. Likewise, encourage digital storytelling among youth and the public, and also raise awareness of the impact of various schools' initiative. Through authentic stories, the competition celebrates the transformative power of education. So dyan nakikita, pag meron eskwelahan sa mga baryo, paano nagkakaroon ng pag-asa, nagkakaroon ng hope, at yun nilang mga pinapangarap nangyayari. No? For this competition natin, meron tayong dalawang category. Category A and Category B. The Category A is My FFCCII Various Schools Journey. Ang mga storya nito is personal stories from individuals directly connected to the FFCCII Various Schools. So, ibig sabihin niyan, under category A, pwede sumali ang mga estudyante, alumni, teachers, school staff, no? Ang age limit nito is we allow as young as 13 years old hanggang 100 years old, no? So, sa category B naman, this is the FFCCI Various School Story. It's open storytelling category for the general public. So, ibig sabihin nito, participants may showcase the broader impact of the various schools initiative. So, mga professionals, mga vloggers, they can all participate. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chairman Peter Mangasi. Next, to give us more exciting details, Youth Committee Co-Chairman, Mr. Jason Che, will speak.
And good afternoon lahat na guest. So, about sa content focus, ano yung tinitingnan natin content na hinahanap natin sa mga videos? So, entry should highlight the impact of FFCCCII various school initiative such as how the FFCCCII various school changed a life or created opportunities, how the school contributed to personal growth, values, information, future aspiration, or national progress. How the initiative positively affected a person, a family, or a community. The long-term educational or social impact of the program. Next slide. So, about sa video guidelines naman, participants must submit a TikTok video with the following specifications. First, the duration is 1 to 2 minutes only. 2, the format should be vertical video suitable for TikTok. 3, file format must be in MP4. Then language, any language allowed, English, subtitle required. So pwede Tagalog, pwede English. All entries must be original content created for this competition. So, thanks.
Thank you very much, Co-Chairman Jason Che. All languages, pwede Ilonggo, pwedeng Bicolano, Ilocano, pwedeng Bisaya, all languages na may English subtitle lang. Yes. Next to speak, we'd like to invite Youth Committee Vice Chairperson, Ian Sheng.
Good afternoon. How to join? Dun sa poster na ibibigay sa inyo, may QR code. You just need to scan the QR code and then pag-scan nyo, nandun yung mechanics and then nandun na rin yung registration form. You will just choose if category A or category B kayo. A yung everyone na may involvement sa various school, nag-aral or naging alumni, kahit nagtrabaho. And then B, category B, yung mga may inspiration lang or may storya regarding dito sa mga various school. And then, bawal siya i-post ng public. Ang public posting lang natin is from May 5 to May 15 only para maging fair to everyone. And then just put the hashtag my various school journey. If my FFCCCII various school journey kung category A, category B naman is the FFCCCII various school story. And then our judging criteria, relevance to the team 35%, creativity 25%, the message or story 25%, technical quality 15%. And then the prices. The prices are over 850,000. So it will be equally divided, category A and category B. The grand prize, each category is 120,000. Second prize is 80,000 and the third is 50,000 per category. And then we have many different citations depending on the video. It will be 30,000 each and there will be 20 notable entries. So marami ring percent yung mga prizes so everyone has a chance to win. The announcement of winners will be June 8, but the submission deadline is until May 15. And awarding will be June 20.